Today's we'll start. Already we discussed this in molarity, molality, mole fractions. So first we'll start. What is the meaning of molarity? Molarity. It is a simple unit defined and mostly used unit which is represented by the capital A. It is represented by capital A. Now question is, what is molarity? Molarity means the number of moles of the solute dissolved in 1 liter of the solutions. So you can write this molarity equal to number of moles of solute upon volume of the solution. Means molarity means number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution is known as molarity. It is represented by a capital A. This is capital A. So you can write in this way: molarity equal to number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution. वॉल्यूम जो है लीटर में हो जाएगा. नाउ सेकंड विल सी मोलालिटी. Molality. It is represented by the small m. It is represented by small m. Molarity and molality both are different. Okay, not the same. Molality, moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution, and here is means molarity equal to m, number of moles of solute, volume of the solution in liter. You can write also liter. Then molality means number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. Here is 1 liter of the solution, and here is 1 kilogram of the solvent. So molality means number of moles of solute upon total number of volume. Means you can write number of moles of solute, then moles of solvent. You can write moles of mass of solvent kg, mass of the solvent in kg. Means you are finding the mass in kg, means it is molarity, and you are finding number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution. So it is in molarity. This is molarity and molality. Both are different. One is represented by the capital M. Capital M is molarity, small m is molality. I am repeating, molarity means number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of the solution, and molality means number of moles of solute present in 1 kilogram of the solvent. This is the difference between molality and molarity. Okay, now next one is mole fraction, which is represented by the small m. Means mole fraction is the ratio of the one component and total number of components. Now we'll see the mole fraction. Mole fraction. Next one is mole fraction. What is mole fraction? So mole fraction is the ratio between the number of moles of particular substance to the total number of component present in solutions. So number of moles, it is defined is the number of moles of a particular number of moles of particular components to the total number of moles to the total number of moles of the solution. of the solution. This is the mole fraction, means number of moles of solute. It is defined in this way, means the number of moles of solute, number of moles of particular component to the total number of moles of the solution. Suppose solution A dissolve in solution B. Solution A dissolve in solution B. So you can write total mole fraction of solution A. See, mole fraction of component A. Mole fraction of component A means total moles equal to Na plus Nb. Now mole fraction of component A, so you can write moles of the solute, moles of the component A, moles of the component A upon total number of moles of the solution, number of moles of the solution. This is the mole fraction of component A and B. Na is mole fraction of component A, mole of component A, and Nb mole fraction of component A. So number moles of the component A upon number of moles of solution. So you can write Na plus Nb for component A, mole fraction of component A. In this way, Na upon Na plus Nb. Now you have to find out mole fraction of component B. So same it is moles of the component B upon number of moles of the solution. So you can write in this way, Nb equal to Na plus Nb. In this way you will find out the mole fraction. Means mole fraction is the ratio of the number of moles of particular component to the total number of moles of the solution. So mole fractions you can represent in this way, and mole fractions जो होगा you can write in like this is the Xa and Xb. Here is mole fraction. Mole it is represented by N. Mole is represented by N. So here you can write X represent. So you want to find out Xa and Xb. So this is the mole fractions, molarity. This is the part of the first chapter.